from Medford. We're trying to get behind it now. We have eyes on it. Hold there, please.
On the air, 2210.
20, give us priority at southbound bird. Southbound bird from Trojan. It's going 60 miles per hour, southbound bird. Southbound bird through Pembroke. Traffic
Southbound bird from Pembroke, no traffic. 2210.
No southbound bird from Cambridge. 7 miles.
Alright, through Cambridge, and it's going down on 7 miles. Down on 7 miles.
Near Cambridge, eastbound 7 miles, 2211.
Eastbound 7 miles, Bridge 5 miles, light traffic.
Eastbound 7 miles.
Eastbound 7 mile, light traffic, 2211.
Northbound on Gloucester from 7 miles. Northbound on Gloucester from 7 miles. We're going 50 miles per hour.
Northbound Gloucester from 7 miles, 50 miles per hour, 2211.
Go northbound Gloucester,
Pembroke, light traffic, driving in the center lane. Canine one's primary. We're going to try and attempt to fit here soon. We're going 80 pounds.
Go northbound.
Okay, we got 8 mile in our future. And
8 miles. Come up to 8 miles. Eastbound 8 miles from Gloucester.
Eastbound 8 miles, 2212.
Through Burke, we're going 95 miles per hour, very light traffic.
Eastbound 8 miles, through Burke, 95 miles, light traffic, 2212.
He's on the cover. We got it overhead. I have a speed to the north. Be ready to assist him. He's bound to Manchester.
Where's the you can boogie with him? We're still 18 pounds. Just past it.
He's running 8 miles, 110 miles an hour, coming up to Grandview.
Eastbound 8 miles, approaching Southfield, 2213.
He's slowing up, making a right turn. Plus, I believe this is fast, 5 miles fast. From 8 miles, 5 miles fast, 8 miles. A right turn on Castle. Westbound Castle, full fast.
Alright, it's going to be going westbound on Glastonbury 20.
Westbound Hessel from Glastonbury, 2213.
Okay, dead end street. This is a dead end street. This is just a roundabout. There's a dead end street right there. Sunderland and Hassel.
Sunderland and Hassel turned onto a dead end street 20.
Clear, turn onto a dead end street.
Make a right turn. He's right in front of you.
Sunderland, northbound Sunderland, it's going to be a dead end.
Clear, turn onto a dead end street, 2214.
He's right there in front of you.
Appreciate you, 2214.
Alright, passenger doors out.